I'm Shannon Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. When thinking of something to buy, do you grab your phone or do you hit the store?
In-store shopping, yes. Why? It's because, well, there's scams, although they can, but yeah, those scams can see what you're buying in person, maybe be able to test it out before you actually buy it. And yeah, that's really my reason why I would prefer in-store shopping.
In-store, that you can see what you're picking up and look at it.
Physical, you get a touch of things them and you feel much better. And we can really actually pick up my stuff then. Online, I have to take what I get. So enough time I hear people complain, I mean I go through that. So I'm physical for me.
I prefer in-store, and the reason is that I can look at the things that I'm getting. When you do online shopping, there's a possibility that you might not get your correct size or you might not get the correct goods that you order. So I prefer in-store.
In-store, because I don't really trust the online because people can go into your privacy, so I'm more safer in shopping store than online.
Yes, I prefer in-store because when you shop online, I'm kind of scared of the scamming, and with all that is happening now, I think it's better when you go in-store, you have the cash in and then you know that you can just let go your cash. But when you shop online, sometimes I keep wondering if they close the card or what will happen next.
So I prefer online shopping because to me it's more convenient and it's more cost effective.
And for me, I like in-store because I like tangible things and I like to know what I'm getting.
I prefer store because I can walk into the store and I'm going to buy something and come back out with my receipt and my things them. Yeah, so I don't know about the online, but I know about the store. I can buy something and come back out with my receipt. But people talk about online, say, but I don't know. I never try online, but I never try online.
In-store. I prefer in-store because I can go and look at the product I'm going to buy and I can see the price and I can get it right on time.